Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a super quick one. So most of you guys that know, I love Loc Jewelry, and I have been playing around with these rings for a little while to see how they open, but I've been having a problem with getting them closed and then having them stay in my hair. And yeah, the struggle is real for whatever reason. I feel like don't close securely, but I also feel like I can't guarantee that they're gonna stay as long as I want them to. Yeah, there you go. So I'm just not happy with how they clasp and just not being sure of whether they're gonna fall out. So I'm a big huggy wearer, huggy in terms of the earring type, and I've discovered that I can put those in my hair. There's sterling silver, there's stainless steel, and they come in a lot of different colors. They snap open and snap back on, like you are guaranteed that they are secure just by that little snap sound. Please slip them in my locks and snap, and I'm ready to go. And it's just so simple. So you have a couple pairs of huggies, small, cute, light huggies in your collection. Definitely don't be afraid to add them to your locks as a form of accessory. They work so well. I've been able to wash my hair with these in. They haven't lost color or anything like that. I'm very, very content with using these earrings as jewelry. So if you're interested, try it out and let me know how it works out for you. All right, bye.